Filipino and American.
bet!
Half Filipino, half American. When was the last time you were in the Philippines?
Over 20 years.
Here, come here, come here. Not on stage, just here. What's your name?
Charles.
Charles. Charles. Oh, Charles. Charles. But why are you from America?
Yes.
Where?
Pretty much all over California.
Okay, so what are you most proud of about being half Filipino?
That I'm still a Filipino blood in me, and I like to follow the roots.
Why is it more fun in the Philippines?
Why is it more fun in the Philippines? You guys are too crazy. You guys are great.
Thank you very much. Agree po ba kayo doon that the Filipinos are crazy?
Yes.
Why? Because of mahjong?
No.
Because of why? Balot?
Yeah. Mostly food.
Mostly food. Ano yung favorite Filipino food ninyo?
Balot.
Balot, ano yung difference ng balot tsaka balot penoy?
Balot peno. Walang sisiw ang balot peno.
Ah,
May sisiw.
ano gusto niyo doon?
Yung sisiw.